everybody, this is Bonnie and I'm coming with you for a quick tip and tricks on Monday. And so for today's quick tip is if you've got the new stamp pads and you open them up and they kind of move hard. Sometimes you get them all the way locked down and then you got to push them and then they're really hard to close and you have ink all over you. Take some chapstick. This is one that I just use for, I have it in my little cubby, and I use it just for my stamp pads. And just run some right along here, just like so. Just run some along both sides. And then I like to just run, I gotta open it up a little bit. I like to run some along here. Then I just run it back and forth a few times. See how the more you do it, the more the, what do you call it? The chapstick is going to get worked in. And then they open up and close a lot easier. You know, this is a quick tip. I hope you enjoy. There's a little pink square dot in the bottom right hand corner of your screen. If you click on that, you will subscribe and you will not miss any of my videos. If you hit the little bell, then that'll notify you when my video goes live so you can watch it right away and you won't miss anything. So please like, subscribe, and let me know what you think about the Quick Tip Mondays that I've been doing. Bye-bye!